Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a collection on Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. In order to create a collection, you have to open your admin panel and now click on products and select collections, and now click on create collection and give the collection title here. And you can enter a description about your collection, and you can select the collection type. If you select manual, then add products to this collection one by one, or you can select automated, existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. So I'm going to select in automated. You can play with this condition option. Select the product tag, and now you can select your template and you can add a collection feature image and click on save. And here you can see I have successfully created a new collection. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.